Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little slime collection video. So I have 4 slimes here today, and I will be doing ASMR. So if you don't like ASMR, I would suggest you to leave this video because there's going to be a lot of ASMR. So yeah. So I have the containers here. Okay, so I have 4 containers of slime. They are not filled to like the rim, so yeah, no slime smoothie. Sorry, I don't want to mix these. These are great slimes. Okay, so which one do I want to start with? Here, let's go from the smaller slimes to the bigger slimes. Okay, so the first one I have here is Pink Panther, and if you go to my school, if you like see my face at school, then me, and 3 other people, I don't want to say their names because they might not want me to, but yeah, but we have a slime business. It's called Crunchy _._KEAP. So that's our slime name and stuff. So the first one I have here is Pink Panther, and it's in a black container and stuff, and it's just pink. And it's like a normal slime kind of, but sorry, you can't see my feet. My tripod's broken, so I have to use a candle. But it's like a normal slime, and then I added just like a bunch of lotion. It's stretchy-ish, and it's pokey, so I'll do that for you. Or clicky. Do you guys say clicky or pokey? I say pokey. But that's the Pink Panther slime. This is for sale. This is the small. So yeah. So now, this one is in a cookie dough container. I just try to find containers that I can use because I'm not going to waste some good containers for slime. So this is a cookie dough container. This is my SpongeBob slime, I think. Yeah, it's my SpongeBob slime. It's yellow. It's a very light yellow. It's not like a mustard yellow. It's like a very light yellow. I also add lotion to this, but it's like spongy. It's like it's stretchy, like very stretchy. I can't fit it in the frame, but it's very stretchy and soft, and it has like it's like one of those textured slimes, like cheesecake slime and stuff. I'm making this swirl. So here's some ASMR now. That's good for that slime. Stay. Okay. Yeah. I'm putting all my slimes near my camera. Okay, so the next slime is I have it in a sherbet container. It's in a raspberry sherbet container and stuff. This is my lavender slime. It smells good. I added lotion to this. As you can see, it's like a lavender color, like a really light lavender. This is one of my favorites because it's really soft. These are all fluffy slimes too. It's like so stretchy and like so soft. It's a normal, it's like a fluffy slime, and then I added like a bunch of lotion when I was done. The dye for this is a dry, why did I say dry? It's a Crayola marker. So, yeah, uncheap. Okay, made a squirrel. So, yeah, that's that one. Dang! Okay, my last one is in a butter container. This one is my marshmallow slime. Just in a butter container. But it's a white slime. And it's called marshmallow because it's like a sticky slime and stuff. It's stretchy. It's literally the same one as my lavender one. It's just dyed. I'll make it into a swirl. Okay, here's some ASMR for you all. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you watched till the end, make sure you follow my Instagram and Musicaly. They will be in the description below. And yeah, peace